Now is the time. The hour has come for the restoration of all your wasted years and efforts. Don't wait for anyone to tell you Triumphant Convention 2025 is right at your doorstep. The theme is total restoration. Date Sunday 19th to Sunday 26th October 2025. Time 5 a.m., 9 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. daily. Venue Global Triumph Mission Leadership Headquarters behind the Holy Hotel, Hodeyale off Ajah Road, Onara Local Government, Ibadan. Come and encounter God like never before. Come and experience a supernatural turnaround in your life. Ministering Pastor Dr. Abraham Olutunde and other anointed servants of God. Don't miss this life-changing convention. Your season of restoration has come.